Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about Fiverr. Now for most of you that don't know, Fiverr is a website where you can get service from people to help you export and sell your work. For example, when you open the Fiverr app, you can see at the top left graphics designs. Now if you're a designer or a graphics editor, you can click there, and if you need any help with your designing or anything that has to do with your designs and graphics, you can click on your specific area of work, and when you click it, it's gonna take you to a page where people who can give you services are. So right now I'm gonna click digital marketing. In digital marketing, you get when you click digital marketing, you can select your area of work. And I'm gonna click video marketing, and in video marketing, you're gonna see a lot of people who can give you like help to market your videos, YouTube video or Instagram or any social media. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Milad, and when you click Milad, you can see his information. Now if you see his information and you like it and it looks good, you can contact him, and then from there you can book help. You can book like his service, and if he says yes, then he works for you as your content creator. So mind you, there's different types of service. There's the basic, standard, and premium. The basic is just a normal service he gives you, like no extra added. The standard is just maybe a little bit more time onto you. And then the premium is probably the highest, which is all you can get. Like all the service you can get, like the best service he can give you is what he's gonna give you. And when you get that, you basically have your own personal like video editor and marketer. So that's all on today's video, and let me know if you want better details into Fiverr, and I'll be sure to make another video. Thank you.